let us cover linear inequalities today. So what do you mean by inequality and what do you mean by equation? Equation means when an expression has is equal to symbol, and inequality is when it has less than or greater than or less than equal to or greater than equal to. This is a linear inequality. Okay, so we have studied equations in 1 and 2 variables, right? We have solved some word problems also, like after converting it into 1 or 2 variable equations. But it is not always possible to convert a word problem in the form of equations. For example, if I give you weight of all the students in my class is less than 45 kg. So in this case, it is not possible to form an equation, right? Or if I say Raj is 10 years older than Amit, in this case also, I cannot form an equation. Then we find certain statements involving a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to symbols which are known as inequalities. Okay, so the knowledge of linear inequality is very helpful in solving problems in science, mathematics, engineering, linear programming, etc. So in this chapter, we will study linear inequalities in 1 or 2 variables. So first, let us see what are inequalities. So let me give you the definition for inequalities. Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to for an inequality. For example, 3x less than 20, 4x plus y less than or equal to 12, x plus 2y less than 12. Now in inequality, you have three types. One is numerical inequality. What is numerical inequalities? 2 less than 3, 7 greater than 4, example, etc. So these are the examples of numerical inequalities when you are comparing only numbers. Then we have literal inequalities. What do you mean by literal inequalities? When a constant is compared to a variable, like x is less than 9, y is greater than 12, x is greater than or equal to 15, y is less than or equal to 12. These are the examples of literal inequalities. Now, what is double inequality? Double inequality means like 3 less than 5 less than 7 when you are comparing more than two quantities. That is double inequality. So 4 less than or equal to x less than 5 and 2 less than y less than or equal to 4. These are the examples of double inequalities. Now let us see what is a linear inequality. So an inequality is said to be linear if each variable occurs in first degree only and there is term involving the product of the variables. For example, ax plus b less than 0. Ax plus b less than or equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c greater than 0. These are the examples of linear inequalities or linear inequations.